Anyway, I just wanted you to see my hair. I pulled out, so I have it a little bit lower because I want to try something out. I usually don't like to focus on my double chin, but I just wanted to try something out. Okay, so I'm finally gonna do it. So let me tell you though. I did not watch the reviews to this, but these they're not selling well because they are $15 each and they only last till your next shampoo. Now, I've always wanted to try doing yellow and orange hair for the longest time, and so these were on clearance at Target for half price, $7. Because they are selling out, I got two more. They went half price at HEB, and when I went to pay for it, they went half price again. So I only paid like $3.50 for 2 boxes at HEB. The only other one that I paid almost full price, because some places wanted to charge you almost $20 for these, and these only last through one shampoo. I ordered the off of Amazon. I didn't know they had a black lilac one, a black with a lilac like purple color. So it's black and then it transforms to like purple, and in a way I'm glad that they wash out because I didn't want black hair. But I had, like I said, I paid like that one was like 12 or 13. So these ran for about 15. Some beauty supply stores were selling them for like 18 or $19, I think. And then they went down to half price, $7.50, I think. And then they went down half again to like, I think $3.50 or $3.25 or whatever in some places. And they're not selling well because then I started looking at the reviews. It comes out in one wash. It works with heat. I'm in Houston, so it's gonna work with the heat. But when people started putting the flat iron to it, it started removing the color. So that's messed up. So I bleached my hair last Thursday because I knew I wasn't gonna have time to do it this week because I have a couple of appointments this week. I only have like today and tomorrow off, and so it was crazy. We had no electricity because they were changing out the electrical box outside, and it is freaking hot. So with, my new sleeping system's a little out of whack, so I don't get up to like 10:30 now, and I hate that. So I set my alarm clock for 9 because I knew I did not have time to mess around. I put the bleach in, left it in for an hour, washed it out, and my hair, did the usual yellow and the orangey down here. I could see the bottom still black. I wasn't looking to get it all the way through. I just wanted to frame my face and do the top. And so, but like my husband was impressed because it was really lifted up. Usually my hair will just be orange, and I can't lift it higher than an orange no matter what I do. But it lifted to a yellow, and my husband was impressed. It's the new Garnier. I think I showed you the new Garnier hair bleach. It's supposed to be for darker hair. It still says it's not for black, dark brown, but because I had already put rose gold in it, it's still, it lifted. And then did the same thing for Father's Day. Set the alarm clock for 9 because I wanted to tone it out. I wanted it to be done by Father's Day. So that Thursday I went out. I got the T18 from Clairol. I got, a small 20 developer. And they say you can't leave it in here for more than 30 minutes, but I left it in for about 45 minutes. And all this silver is me. My white hair does have a purple cast to it, and it did silver out and gray out a little bit with the toner, and it lifted the yellow, and it made the orange look a little bit more like a golden blonde. So I'm loving this color in my hair, but I I because what I do is I wash my hair one day, do the you know the bleach or the developer, I mean the bleach or the toner, and then I condition it. So I washed my hair Saturday night, and then I toned it Sunday morning before my husband got home from church, because I wanted, to surprise him for Father's Day. And so my hair, another thing is, I did not do it on the roots. I did not do it on the roots because my scalp has been sensitive, and so I just kind of really worked it in on the scalp, but I didn't push it all the way into the to the roots. I didn't push it all the way into the very root of my hair. I worked it into this part of my head, I should say. And if a little bit got on my scalp, I could feel it burning. And I just didn't want to do that anymore. I didn't want a white, roots. I found out, doing some investigation on this, found out that women are now bleaching the hair and then recoloring the roots brown, which doesn't make sense to me. Just let your roots show, It's just doing more work and processing on your hair than you don't need. So I'm cool with that. My roots start to show, because already my roots right here are starting to show right here in my little cowlick, as they call it. So I wanted my hair as light as I could get it. Again, my husband was like, wow, that's the lightest you've ever gotten it, and you look really good. Like that, he was complimenting me. But because yesterday I was out all day, now this is all frizzy. And one of the things I'm happy about, I just didn't want to really work it into the hair, because I didn't want it to be frizzy. So I still have my curls. It's just that I was out all day yesterday, and I condition it every day with coconut oil. But I didn't do it last night because it darkens your hair. The coconut oil really darkens the hair. And but I did put argan oil today, and I should, because I didn't put in the coconut oil. Now it looks all frizzy, but I still maintained the curls. Once I condition it, the curls will come back. So I didn't put any coconut oil in it last night. I'll do it today though afterwards. But one of the reasons why I was also a little bit afraid to put the coconut oil is because it's very heavy, and I don't know if it's gonna work with, if it's gonna interfere with this. So I'm gonna do this now. So it comes with gloves. And from what I've been watching online, you're supposed to apply it with a sponge. It comes with 2 sponges. I guess for some people, something tells me on my hair, it's just because I have such long, thick hair, that I might finish this whole bottle. I'm not going to use the sponge, though. So there's the bottle. You can see how some of it turned yellow. So, oh, that's really thick. Another thing about this that people were saying is they don't like how thick it is. They just can't stand that thickness. That's what happened to me with the L'Oreal hair color gel that I got from Sally's. It left my hair looking awful. And then the last time I tried it, I realized you're supposed to brush it out. But, okay, so I'm putting it in my hair. And I don't know if it's because it's hot here, but I have the fan on me. It's not turning orange. It's Oh my goodness. So I mean, try it if you want, people, but I don't think this is worth it. It's not doing anything to my hair. I noticed that it was working on the girls who were using it on the internet, or maybe it just needs to. And some women said that it stains a little bit, but it washes out. Or was that the other one they were saying to buy? But that one was like $50. That's great. There was another one. I forgot the name of it. That it's on Amazon. I guess if you look it up on Mood Hair Dye. I forgot the name of it. It had like this weird name, but I don't know if you can see it's orange. But it's a very, very light orange. It's not like the color of this box. It looks more like a peach. I don't know if you can see in my hand, but it's turning yellow from the heat of my hand. I don't know if you could see that. Okay, let's try and get it in here. So you can see the white of my hair. Wow, this is it is very thick. Yeah, this is definitely, I don't know, it's a waste of money. But it was doing this to some of the women. It was like when they first put it on, oh yeah, it turned orange or whatever color they had. But once they put the heat on it, the flat iron, it was like just removing it, and it looked light like this. Yeah, so I thought this was a real hair dye. So, gosh, this is awful. This really is awful. But I already spent my money on it, so just gonna do it. Okay, I do see something happening as it's drying. We have the air conditioner and 2 fans because it's so dang freaking hot and humid here. So I'm not gonna comb this out. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. But you use a blow dryer or whatever. And here I'll probably go outside and probably turn yellow. Ooh, I got hair in my eyes and in my mouth. Okay. So you can see some of it turned orange. I wasn't looking for peach. I was looking for actual orange, but yeah, it looks like there is enough for 2 applications. Yeah, I was definitely not going to use those sponges because I saw the girls working with the sponges and that was really hard. So basically, I just want to frame my face. All right. Well, it definitely worked. You see that? You can see the orange disappearing, or the peach in my case. All right. All right, let's see what happens now. Okay, I'm putting my fan on it. Let's see. It's turning back to orange. It is turning back to orange little by little. So I've been receiving compliments with the rose gold. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it through. I don't like brushing my hair because for people with curly hair, your hair just goes poof. My hair was already going poof anyway, so I might as well. But I'm gonna have to wash my brush because I don't want it to interfere with the other colors. and it's cooling off and it's turning back to that orange. But I guess it doesn't, I guess when it dries it'll work better, maybe, I don't know. But it's definitely not like the box. It's really not worth paying $15 for it. I mean, if you want to just try it and you can afford it, I just did not want to pay $15 per box. There's, I think there's, might be like 7 or 8 colors, and I just got like 5 of them, and like I paid full price, well, 15 for one, and then I paid I think 12 for another, 12 or 13 for another, only because it was purple. And then I paid like $7.50 for one and like $3.25 for the other two. So yeah, so orange came back, and it is very heavy. I'm not gonna, I probably won't wash my hair till tomorrow, wash and condition it. Oh, another thing I did was, I think for my birthday I got like a free $5 coupon for Sally's, and so I got, they have this new thing called paints, and I got a purple one. But I really don't want to go back to purple. I really enjoy the rose gold, and what I'm gonna do is try the Got to Be Metallic Silver and see how that works on my hair. They have a smoky, but it just makes your hair black, and I do not want to go to black. So I'm gonna try the metallic silver if I see it at Walmart, because I know they supposedly have it at Walmart or Target, and probably have it at Walgreens too, but they're kind of pricey. So, you know, probably CVS. The CVS is like the most expensive. It's ridiculous. So anyway, so yeah, what I did with the purple was I mixed it in my conditioner, not my shampoo, my conditioner. I should put it in my shampoo too, though. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I squeeze some into my conditioner because Manic Panic said to do that, and that's what I wash my hair with. So I'm getting the purple, and I usually the shampoo I'm only really putting into the roots, and then, you know, just letting it go down the rest of my hair. Whereas conditioner, I'm really going through all my hair, I'm detangling it and everything. That's what I did with that. So yeah, so I'm not sure when, but I am gonna try the Got to Be Silver Metallic, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue putting the rose gold in my hair. I know I don't want to continue to bleach it. So I'm very happy with the results of how most of the gold is out around my face, even though the bottom still has that reddish tone. I'm just happy that by my face it's that nice ashy blonde color. So yeah, I just wanted to try it once in my life. I'm 54. And so yeah, so that's what I did.